Hi, my friend. This is Rhonda K. I trust that you're having an excellent day. You know, I've been telling you about learn and earn systems, right? And I've been mainly talking about one ebook. But there is a system that I've talked about here, but I want to talk about a little bit more. And it just has blossomed. It's on fire right now. And it has happened naturally. I've not tried to force anything, just doing things naturally. And it's a learn and earn system as well. And what do I mean by that? I'm teaching people how to post content, send people to a capture page, ask people to request a kit, and email people daily. That's all we're doing. We're posting daily, sending people to our capture page daily, asking people to request a kit daily, and emailing daily. That's it. That's it. Over and over and over. And so what I was reminded from this step-by-step ebook guide that I've been telling you about is to post content every day. So I started out posting content about the ebook, and then I thought, do I have anything else that I can actually apply this to? Yes, I can make money reselling the ebook and telling you about it, and when you buy it and we learn and earn together, I can do that. But I also had this business opportunity system. I wanted to put it to the test as well. Now, I became a member of this company in 2019, slowed down a little bit in 2020, like a lot of things did, but they've come back strong here in 23. So I just started posting every day. And I automate I schedule my content. I don't, record a video and post it. I schedule out all my videos. I schedule out all my images across social media. I schedule that out because I don't have a lot of discretionary time to put forth during the week. And I don't want to spend my whole weekend putting content together. Yes and yes. So this is going really well. What's going good about it is it's simple to understand. Post information daily, ask people to request a kit, and email people daily. Boom. That's what you do. And you're not just emailing them just any old kind of thing, but you're building a relationship with them. How email marketing should be. People are responding. It's just happened naturally, okay? What else is, when people get their kit in the mail and when they watch that Show Me the Money video, it resonates with them. It resonates with them. And so I'm thinking we're onto something. So I'm pacing myself, and it's very easy to get off track and get distracted, but I'm not going to get distracted. I'm going to keep moving forward. So this could be something that you may be interested in as well. So again, how it works, you request a kit. There's a link in the video description. You request a kit. You wait for it in the mail and you read it when you get it. And when it resonates with you, you'll send your money in. Okay, the company will set up your website and then you'll be ready to go. And there's one tool that I recommend that everyone gets if you don't have it already, and that's the email marketing system. So the system that I use, you can use it for free until you get 500 subscribers. Once you get 500 subscribers, it's like 55 cents a day, 17 bucks, 19 bucks a month. Pretty good. And that's the only thing you'll be spending, and you can use that email marketing system. It's all inclusive, so you can make webinar pages with it, unlimited pages, all that other stuff. But basic, you can use it for email, and you can use it for all of your income streams if you have more than one. But that's all I've been doing on a daily basis, and I really do like it. The company does the mailing for you, so you do depend on the company to do the mailings for you and all of that. But I think it is resonating with people because it is simple to understand. There's not a lot of moving parts. There's nothing that you have to put together. The company does all of that for you, and that leaves you with emailing people daily and asking people on a daily basis in your content to request a free kit. So have some fun today and go through this process. I believe that you will find it effortless. Yes. How much money can you make? I want you to watch the Show Me the Money video. No need me telling you everything in the video, right? But I just wanted to let you know that It's a great way to learn the beginning stages of digital marketing, and while you're learning that and while you're applying that, you can earn as well. So it'll be worth your time. Yes, so you're learning some new skills and you're getting paid while you're learning some new skills as well. So click the link in the video description and see what I am just totally excited about. All right, many blessings.